Grand Rising. How is everyone doing on this beautiful Sunday? Hi. So, Grand Rising to everyone. Yes, it's about noon in about 2 minutes. Okay, so this video I'm doing an unboxing. Y'all know I love my jewelry and I love rings. And I purchased this off of Amazon. Okay, 14 karat gold thumb ring. Let's see, I hope it works, y'all. Okay. Yes, see? Okay, yes, I love it. Now, I have 2 sterling silver thumb rings, so I had to get a gold one, okay? And I definitely had to get a gold one because my lucky colors are gold, orange, red, and white. So as long as I am wearing those colors, I'm gonna have my luck. And so y'all see my nails, they look red on the screen, but they're really orange, red, white, and gold. Yes. So now I have my gold thumb ring. I think I'm gonna go ahead and order me another one. Yes, for this thumb. Yes. So it looks good. I love it. Let's see. So I am enjoying my Chardonnay. Okay. This is the Butter Kiss. And, well, I'll save this for the next video. But let me look up the gold ring. Let's see. It was $12.95. Yes, $12.95. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and get another one for this thumb. Okay. Yes, so how is everyone doing on this beautiful Sunday? And it comes in this care package here. Come in this care package. Okay. And my thumb is a size 9. My thumb is a size 9. So I have to get me some more jewelry cleaner. And I'm going to go with the Tiffany jewelry cleaner. Y'all see I have on my Tiffany bracelet here, the horseshoe bracelet. That's Tiffany Company. And so anytime you buy your, some jewelry from Tiffany, they're going to give you the jewelry cleaner. So I'm out of that. So I'm going to order some more of that from Tiffany. Yes, from Tiffany. So thank y'all for tuning into this video. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and please hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I am dropping new videos. Shalom.